Hello everyone. So it's a lovely, beautiful summer's day, or end summer's day again. I think we're having a bit of an Indian summer, as we call it, here in Russia. It's been some lovely warm weather towards the end of August, which is been really nice, to be honest. We've just been doing stuff in the garden, trying to landscape the garden. But today I really wanted to show you something that I really wanted to do for a long time in here. Well, not a long time in here, but even in some of the houses I've lived in the UK, is be able to power the house with a petrol generator or gasoline generator. And we've finally had that done yesterday. We've got the connections into the main circuit board of the house, so we can now plug the generator in if we have a power cut, and we'll be able to power the house. So it's something I really wanted for a long time, and because we had a generator here initially when there was no power here at all, post just after the floods, when we were obviously needing to use equipment and stuff, we did buy a generator like a lot of the neighbors did. And actually a lot of the neighbors have done the same thing. It's a switch inlet, so you can, if there is no power to the house from the main electric lines, if there's a power cut, we can switch it, so there'll be power to the house from the generator, which is, I don't know, just to me it's really fascinating. It's really cool. It's something, you feel great that you can still power your house if there's a power cut. I don't know, I'm just interested in little things like this, and it just makes me feel kind of confident that I can still power my family home for my family, especially if there's a power cut when it's extremely cold here or something like that. And because there's still quite a lot of works going on around here, they are still maintaining some of the electric lines and substations post floods. They're doing like every 2 weeks some repairs. So I think tomorrow, Sunday, the power is going to go off pretty much all day again. So it's just nice to be able to keep the fridge on, use a microwave, kettle, things like that. So whilst it's off, for about 8 hours, you've still got that power. So again, what I'll do, I'll show you that in the garage now, and then I'll just quickly show you a few other things that we've got going on. We're almost there with what we want to do this this side of winter, and then we're kind of gonna stop doing anything else really, because we've done quite a lot, I would say, over the past 6 months, and we need a break from all this building, all this repair, and we just want to kind of be in our home towards the end of summer, going into autumn, winter. So I think we've done enough to live comfortable as soon as these last things are done. So again, let me know what you think in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe and share the videos. Follow us on Telegram as well. We're almost up to 900 subscribers on Telegram, and I tried to add a few different things on there of what we've been up to, and also RuTube as well for Russian viewers. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks all the videos will be over onto RuTube, but a lot of the older stuff is already on there. It's just any new videos I'm still waiting to upload onto there once the transfer is gone. So yeah, both RuTube, YouTube and Telegram is our main kind of social platforms. So enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. So here we are in the garage. I'll just explain the generator. So it's quite a powerful one. It'll put out 5.5 kilowatts and maximum load of about 5 kilowatts of power, which is more than enough to run our home. Obviously not switching on like tumble dryers and washing machines and anything too heavy, but lights, fridges and everything else that kind of runs, it will easily handle that in terms of a power cut. It's on wheels as well, so it's tucked away in the corner here just under the circuit breaker box, but I've got a 5-meter cable which I'll explain now, so I'll just roll it out. So obviously when we start it, the exhaust fumes will be outside and obviously a little bit less noisy in the garage. But we had this installed, so That's the main circuit breaker to the house, and then we've had the circuit breaker for the generator installed. So this is in the off position for the generator at the moment because it's not on, and obviously the house is on at the moment from the mains electric. But obviously when we have a power cut, we would knock this one down and the generator one up, and then start the generator, and then obviously this then comes down from the circuit breaker, and the plugs directly into the generator socket, which then feeds the house. And we actually tested it with the electrician yesterday, probably tested it all, and it works fine. It was powering all the house. So it's just in case we have a power cut. Like I said, we are having a few whilst they're doing works on the lines and things post-flood. So it's backup for power, and obviously if we do have any power cuts, if there's bad weather, or if it's really cold and we have a power cut, we can still run this generator for about 8 hours on 20 litres of fuel, and it will power the house for a good 8 hours. So yeah, it's pretty good. And like I said, it was something I'm really excited about. I'm quite geeky with technology and things like that, but being able to power your house when there's no electrics from the mains is something, I don't know, I just feel it's something that's kind of needed, especially in a home with young children and things like that. So really happy with that. And obviously because we bought the generator, which we use quite a lot to power everything when we were doing the initial clean, rather than just selling it for half the price I bought it, I thought, right, let's just pay that little bit extra to get an electrician, which we did a great job yesterday to do it so we can power our home. So yeah, really happy with that. And like I said, it should kind of just make us feel a bit more comfortable. But yeah, again, any questions about that, drop it in the comments and I can explain. But yeah, it's just a basic 40 amp circuit breaker, which it's obviously will power all the other breakers once it's on and the mains off, because you want the main one off because you don't want to end up powering the whole street. So yeah, really quite simple to do. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there that explain this as well, but yeah, I just thought it was something that I needed to show you. Yeah. And then just a few final things we're doing at the moment is we've decided to concrete this area here, as it's going to be a bit of a dead area, and it will just kind of extend the drive a little bit. Hopefully we will get a shed put on there at some point, but not straight away, because we've got to budget what we're doing at the moment. But the guys who did a lot of the work, the posts and things like that, they're going to come back today. Just picked up quite a few more bags of cement. We've got 6 there and another one, but it's funny, I went to Loire, the DIY, I managed to get 4 bags in the back, but then a neighbour was actually selling 2, so we just collected that, so we should have enough. I'm gonna get some more sand delivered and dumped there to do all the mixing. Luckily we've still got the cement mixer that works and the tools, so we're going to come this afternoon and we are going to concrete this area. I've got some of the mess on mesh to go down on there, so it'd be set a bit of sand on there, then the mesh, then the concrete, whatever. I don't exactly know the whole process. I think somebody did pick up, because I put the clay down on there, and I shouldn't have. The clay is usually used just for raising the ground, and it was already quite high where it comes there, so I had to move all the clay and dump it over the other side again. So I've moved that twice, but you know what, it's come in handy the other side, because we are going to get some matching stones here just to finish this bit off. And that's obviously less stones now that'll have to be leveled on there. And then once they finish the final bit of concrete, in which this is, we're doing no more, we'll then put stones matching down to the first post here as well. And then this area we are going to plant some trees eventually and things like that, so it'll be a nicer kind of area there, not just all kind of the same stone. But we'll cover that with some the black sheeting that kills the weeds, and then we'll plant some nice trees or bushes, and then put a few few more stones on there as well, but we do need to keep the end kind of access because the cess tank there, they need to be able to back up and obviously be able to empty the cess tank there as well. So it's unfortunate it's not the other side of the fence, but it had to go there for some reason. But hey ho, there we go. And then the soil's pretty much all ready to be seeded, but this will be the last area because we might use this as like a nice, put more trees and a few like flower beds and things like that, and a path maybe running through the middle, some slabs of stone, and then this bit here we will grass all of this bit, so it'd be a nice recreational area then. But to start with, we are going to seed just from the edge there down here and this bit, and then see kind of how it grows to begin with, and then we'll eventually do the rest of this before autumn sets in. But it's extremely dry and hot at the moment, so it's not kind of the best time to be putting seed down. So as soon as it gets a bit cooler and maybe a bit wetter, we can put some of that seed down. But yeah, it's all okay. And then we just got the black sheeting down there to kill some of the, it was quite a lot of weeds still there even after pulling them out, so we're trying to just kill them off as much as we can. And then just grass a little bit there and make another kind of vegetable, fruit and flower area there as well as right down the side of the house as well. But a few of you said it might not get enough sun, but the thing is the sun comes right down here pretty much for half the day, and then from this side as well, so it does get a good kind of 8 to 10 hours of sun all down this bit, and then it comes right round here. So yeah, things will grow. Put some strawberries in already and lettuce and things like that, just seeing what grows. But yeah, the fence sheets have been ordered, they've been delivered, and they should be going up from Monday next week. So it'd be nice to get that finally finished, and I'll show you that. But yeah, just a quick update again, just to show you what we're doing and where we're up to. Thank you, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you soon.